Hello, my name is Dmitry, and today I'll show you the easiest way how to deploy your Nest.js application. Let's get into docs nest.js.com and copy this command. Let's install CLI, and after that we can do nest new nest up, just like that. That's will be a name of application. I'll choose npm. After it's done, let's open this folder with any IDE you got. And that's our example application we got. Let's observe it. We have src with some app controller that will return get hello. Nice. Let's connect it with the GitHub. We'll create new repository inside github/new. Let's call it Nest.js app deploy and hit create repository. Now we should follow the guide. Git init, paste in terminal, git init, add readme, first commit, branch, origin, and let's just push it. It requires me to authenticate somehow. I'll do a passphrase. It may require you some other way of authentication. Now we're good, and we just pushed our readme file, but we need everything inside. So I'll select everything that I got and I'll say init. It will analyze it. We're good. Commit and push anyway. Let's push. And now we got everything under our repo and ready to deploy it. Let's head into a Railway app. Here we will deploy our Nest.js application. Let's click Start a new project. Deploy from GitHub repo. Configure GitHub application. Configure. Here I got only selected repositories, so I should select one more, and it will be Nest.js app deploy. Hit save. Let's go next, and here you'll got your selected repository. Let's hit deploy now. And our application is being deployed. Let's get back into our example application, into a main.js, and here on line number 6 we got port 3000, but we should configure it through our environment variables. So we should do the following: process.env.port. Also we should specify host. It will be 0000, and we should push our updates. As you see, our application already running, but we have an issue with the port. Let's meanwhile assign a domain. Let's generate domain. And we have our Nest.js app deploy production app railway app. As you see, it's not found at the moment because we misconfigured our port. After we pushed our changes, it already deploys it one more time. Let's wait for it. By default, we don't know exactly what the port will be, but we can set it up inside variables. Create new variable, and let's say port, and specify 80. That's a default HTTP port. Here we got our variable with the value of 80. We should redeploy it one more time, so our service will pick it up. So what you specify in variables will be accessed in our application through process.env.port, and the value will be 80. After our deployment succeeded, let's get into our application. As you can see, now we get our hello world, and it means we successfully deployed our application under a few minutes, and it's up and running for the world. That was it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.